They say that the toughest thing to do in sports is hit a baseball. To quote Ted Williams, baseball is the only field of endeavor where a man can succeed 3 times out of 10 and be considered a good performer. From a young age, baseball taught me the value of persistence. The sweetest successes make all the failures worth it, no matter how many. Sports have given me more than just a competitive outlet. The values I've learned through them are something I carry with me in all aspects of my life. Sports have taught me friendship, brotherhood, role modeling, and support. Along the way, those that are closest to you are the ones that will never leave your side. But through it all, you must also be there for them. Reaching success is a beautiful thing, but you must always understand that you didn't get there yourself. Your family, friends, and supporters helped you get there. And they stood with you, no matter how many times you were knocked down or beat up. To some, persistence is just a word. But to me, it represents a path, a journey, and most importantly, a reason to hope. When failure turns to success, bathe in your glory. Embrace it. But never forget how you got there.